The importance of forest restoration can hardly be overemphasized, especially in the current context: climate change and biodiversity loss. Have you ever wondered why this is so critical to our survival? Now envision this: a world where our verdant forests serve the Earth's lungs, soaking up carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen. These forests are biodiversity's cradle, harboring a vast range of species. They remain the sustaining force for numerous communities, providing for their livelihoods. Truly, forests are our ecosystem's unsung heroes. But what if they vanish? Who assumes the responsibility of restoring them? This leads us to the remarkable initiative of the Bonn Challenge. The year 2011 marked the beginning of an ambitious global endeavor, the Bonn Challenge. A rallying cry worldwide, its aim was to restore 150 million hectares of deforested and degraded land by the end of the decade. But it didn't stop there. The vision extended further, with a goal to rejuvenate 350 million hectares by 2030. Now you may be thinking, who initiated this monumental task? The credit goes to Germany and the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Together, they launched this initiative, creating a beacon of hope for our beleaguered planet. Their commitment echoed across continents, inspiring nations to strive for a greener, more sustainable future. The Bonn Challenge wasn't just about numbers, it was a testament to human determination, a testament to our ability to heal the scars we've inflicted on Mother Nature. But how successful has this ambitious challenge been? Fast forward to today, and the Bonn Challenge has seen immense success. It's a global story of rebirth and resilience, a tale of nations rallying together to mend the world's lungs. Let's take a tour around the globe to witness this green revolution. Starting with Latin America, where Costa Rica and El Salvador are leading the way. These nations have pledged to restore millions of hectares of land, transforming landscapes and lives. Their efforts have resulted in lush forests where once there were barren lands, providing habitat for diverse species and livelihoods for local communities. Journey across the Atlantic to Africa, where Rwanda and Ethiopia have also made significant strides. Rwanda has committed to restore 2 million hectares, and Ethiopia's ambitious goal to restore 15 million hectares is a beacon of hope. These countries are not just reviving forests, they're also reviving economies and communities. Now let's head to Asia, where Pakistan and India are setting examples for the world. These nations are proving that the restoration of forests is not just an environmental cause, but a social and economic one as well. By now, you might be wondering about the scale of this success. Well, hold your breath, because the Bonn Challenge has restored over 210 million hectares of land. Yes, you heard it right. That's an area larger than Greenland. This monumental achievement exceeded the target set for 2020, a testament to the power of global collaboration. But the success of the Bonn Challenge is not just about numbers. It's about the lives transformed, the biodiversity nurtured, the climate crisis mitigated. It's about the women in Rwanda who now have a steady income from forest products. It's about the endangered species in Costa Rica that have found a safe haven in restored forests. It's about the children in India who will grow up breathing cleaner air. The success of the Bonn Challenge is a testament to what we can achieve when we unite for a common cause. So let's continue this journey. Let's keep planting seeds of hope for the forests, for the planet, and for ourselves. Now imagine what more we can do together. Just picture it. Every seed planted, every tree nurtured, each one of us adding our own little green patch to this grand tapestry we call Earth. It's not about grand gestures or monumental efforts. It's about the small, consistent actions that we can all take in our own backyards, in our neighborhoods, in our cities. Remember, every tree has its roots in a humble seed, and every forest, in its breathtaking expanse, is but a testament to the power of those tiny seeds. It's the same with us. Each one of us is a seed, and our actions, however small they might seem, can grow into a forest of change. Imagine the impact if each one of us committed to planting just one tree a year, or even better, one a month. That's a forest right there, in just a few years. And it doesn't stop there. We can make conscious choices in our daily lives, choosing products that support sustainable practices, reducing our carbon footprint, advocating for policies that protect our green spaces. The Bonn Challenge has shown us what is possible when we come together for a common cause. But the journey doesn't end here. We need to keep this momentum going to ensure that our future generations inherit a world that is as green as we dream it to be. If you found this journey as inspiring as we do, subscribe to our channel for more such content. Together we can make a difference.